Let's talk about Apple Watch. Apple Watch is an indispensable daily companion that keeps you connected to the people and things you care about most.
40% thinner than on Series 6. It's an incredible innovation that maximizes the screen area while barely changing the dimensions of the watch itself. Up to 70% brighter indoors when your wrist is down, making it even easier to discreetly check the time.
The most durable Apple Watch we've ever built. It has our most crack-resistant front crystal, thanks to a stronger and more robust geometry. It's also the first Apple Watch to have IP6X certification, so you don't have to worry about wearing it in dusty environments. And of course, it's still swim-proof with WR50 water resistance. Same great 18-hour battery life. It charges up to 33% faster than Series 6, with an updated charging architecture and new fast-charging USB-C cable. It takes just 45 minutes to go from 0 to 80% charge.
Midnight, Starlight, Green, Blue, and Product Red. It will also be available in silver, graphite, and gold stainless steel, as well as natural and space black titanium. Apple Watch Nike models feature a new graphic sport loop and Nike Bounce watch face, and there's a new Apple Watch Hermes Circuit H leather band with matching face, plus an elegant new Doublet Tour band. Now, of course, bands are a great way to customize your Apple Watch for any activity or occasion, so we've added new colors across our most popular styles, and Series 7 is compatible with all existing bands. Series 3 remains at the great entry price of $199. Apple Watch SE starts at $279, and Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $399. Series 7 will be available later this fall, and we can't wait for you to try it. It has the largest and most advanced display ever, an optimized UI with new keyboard and watch faces, best ever durability, fast charging, new colors, and all the great features of watchOS 8. Series 7 is simply our best Apple Watch yet, and there's no better way to stay connected, active, and healthy.